আইএসসি পরীক্ষায় নজর কাড়া ফলাফল শিলিগুড়ির রাশি চৌবের। শিলিগুড়ি বাবুপাড়ার বাসিন্দা কলা বিভাগে 4টি বিষয় পূর্ণ নম্বর পেয়ে কৃতিত্বের নতুন নজির করেছে। শিলিগুড়ির মবার্ট স্কুলের এই ছাত্রের এই সাফল্য অর্জনে গর্বিত পরিবার ও শহরবাসী। ইংরেজি সহ ইতিহাস, রাষ্ট্রবিজ্ঞান ও ভূগোলে 100তে 100 নম্বর পেয়েছে সে। মেয়ের এই অসাধারণ সাফল্যে ভীষণ খুশি বেসরকারি সংস্থায় কর্মরত তার বাবা সিদ্ধার্থ চৌবে। রাশি জানিয়েছে ভবিষ্যতে সে দেশের হয়ে আন্তর্জাতিক স্তরে প্রতিনিধিত্ব করতে চায় এবং সিভিল সার্ভিসে যোগ দেওয়ার লক্ষ্য নিয়ে এগোচ্ছে সে। পড়াশোনার পাশাপাশি খেলাধুলা ও অন্যান্য সহ পাঠ্যক্রমিক কার্যকলাপেও সমানভাবে আগ্রহী বলে জানায় সে।
Prepare to be wow, where business meets brilliance and dreams take flight. A world of wonder awaits, designed to elevate, built to inspire. Get ready for something extraordinary. Ganpati Dwarika Gallery, launching soon.
ISC 2026, the results came out 11 a.m. and I secured 400 out of 400. So a perfect 100 in English, political science, history, geography. Then 2 extra subjects, but then rest of 4 is counted. So sociology I got a 99 and economics 94 or 95. I just want to say that, initially it did not really register as, I wasn't really like that excited or something. But then, of course, my parents and then my teachers, all of them were calling and then they were extremely happy and appreciative. So, it was a big deal because through them, it seemed like a big deal. Yeah. Arts is very, subjective field, both opinion based, application based, understanding type hota hai. And the syllabus, ISC syllabus is also very vast, So yeah, of course, it is a big deal. And then English they are very, stringy and stringent about this. 99 they give maximum. That's why usually the toppers have 99.75% because 8 marks English mein chala jata hai. But so I was expecting that. I was like, in English, they usually have strict checking, so that is what was going to happen. But then, I did my level best, whatever, plenty of advices I got from my teachers and all of that, and then from my own analysis of the past year papers, and then how they do the checking and marking schemes and all that. I tried my level best to do it, and then since all my efforts were not in vain and I got a good result, that's of course a good thing. But mainly my thing was, to have fun while writing exams, which I did. So that already, that good feeling is gone. My dream in the future is to work in the field of diplomacy, so political science and then international relations, either becoming an IFS officer, into civil services through UPSC, representing India in international organizations, or working in the United Nations through masters abroad. It's whatever it is, it will be in the field of policy making, foreign policy, diplomacy and all of that. As I'm interested in my subjects, I felt like studying quite often. So yeah.
जो आपके juniors हैं और जो उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
उनके लिए I would say, find your passion, what you're passionate about, find what you're good at and let it consume you. These days it's very important. Not only like hard work is a huge aspect. Hard work beats talent, by 1,000 times. So if you find something which you're good at and you feel like other people are already better and more skilled, that is not the way to go. You need to think ki I can also become good at it by practice, and then you'll achieve whatever you dream of if you are passionate and consistent about it. And then I would say people really disregard political awareness these days. People are very misinformed because of fake news, because everybody like keeps scrolling on reels and whatever their feed shows them, they just accept that as the reality. So don't do that. Read a lot, because when you read, your mental capacity increases, so you won't be narrow minded. You will be accepting of other identities and differences in society. That is very important. Political awareness, that is what I would say. पढ़ाई के अलावा, so school में if I have to talk about my ECs, then there were multiple. बचपन से I participated in inter-school debates, spelling bee, quizzes, street. I have written and directed 5 street plays actually, which is Nukkad Natak. We used to have those competitions, and then participating in MUNs or फिर literary quizzes. I have been into all of that. I've written a lot स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग, स्पीच राइटिंग, असेंबलीज के लिए सारे टीचर्स मेरे पास आके मुझे बोलते थे लिखने, विच इज़ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू मी एंड माई राइटिंग स्टाइल. So also, rooting from that at home, I've been an avid reader since I was a child. So, shuru mein to of course, it was fantasy. And then, I got into classic literature, feminist literature, gothic literature. I also am very into political fiction, which is, Margaret Atwood, George Orwell, Octavia E. Butler. And nowadays I'm into experimental literature like Virginia Woolf and Mona Awad.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं सकता. 100% मीन्स सी हैज़ अचीव द माइलस्टोन. अभी और आगे आप लोग आएंगे 4-5 साल 7 साल बाद, हो सकता है और कुछ इससे बड़ा हो. सो होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. हैविंग अ ब्लेस्ड चाइल्ड इज वंडरफुल. ड्रीम ये जो करना चाहती है, वी हैवंट प्रेशराइज्ड हर सिंस चाइल्डहुड फॉर स्टडीज. जो करना है इसको, शी इज फ्री टू चूज अ करियर. जो चाहती है. इंस्पायर्ड ऐसा होता है कि सी टीचर्स मी, हम ये करेंगे एंड आई कम टू नो अबाउट. वो ऐसा होता है. So she is my guide, you can say. My name is Siddharth Chaube, father of Rasi Chaube, proud girl.